Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my March Loot Crate unboxing. I'm subscribed to the Wizarding World Loot Crate, which comes every other month, and I think it's around £40, which is quite a lot. And just lately there have been issues. I mean, if you're subscribed to Loot Crate, I'm sure you'll know, like, they've had problems with getting boxes out on time, and they recently changed the description on the website, because it used to say you'd get 5 to 7 items per month, I think, and now it says 4 to 6. So they changed that without informing subscribers, which I feel is a little bit dodgy, but I'm kind of at the point now where if I'm not massively impressed with this box, I think I will be unsubscribing, just because the last two have been kind of a bit of a letdown, and they've both been really late. And I also keep seeing videos of the Geek Gear Harry Potter box, and I'm very tempted to subscribe, because it would cost me the same amount, but I'd be getting a box every month, and it seems like you get a lot more in the boxes as well. So I don't know, I'm possibly going to be subscribing to that and cancelling this, but this has finally come. So today's like I think it came on like the 3rd of April, which again, it's not great. Like, it was posted at the right time, because you can check like the tracking, but for some reason, whether it was just the bank holiday or what, I don't know, but it arrived in this country on the 23rd of March, but then it only just came on the 3rd of April. So I'm not sure what the delay was there, but it is a lot heavier than last month's. It's still quite a small box, but it's a little bit more meaty than last month's one, so hopefully it will be a bit better, because last month's was a bit disappointing. But yeah, we shall crack this open and see what we have. I think as far as I can remember, the theme for this month was magical must-haves, but then I think they changed the wording of it slightly, so I can't quite remember, so I will have to double check once we get inside. And as always, we've got a lovely little sticker sealing up the box, and this is the same like print of Hogwarts that I have on my really soft pyjama top, and I really like it. It's like just an outline drawing of it, and then it's got little speckles around the side. Can you see that? So inside the box we have a lovely picture of Hogwarts, which actually I might have to cut that out and like frame that, because I think that would look really nice as a print on the wall. But that is really quite nice. I like the colours. So first up we have a t-shirt. There hasn't been a t-shirt in the past few boxes, which has been quite disappointing. Ooh, this one looks very nice. So I think when you sign up you can select your size and stuff. I think I went for like a man's medium. I think this is a man's medium. Oh, large. Man's large, because I like them to be quite baggy. This is the lovely grey Hogwarts t-shirt. I will say the print is a little bit blurry, but I think it's supposed to be. I think it's like stylised. But yeah, that's definitely something I will wear. Very nice. It's coming up a little bit lighter on camera, but it is a very dark grey. I do like that, and it's quite soft, though it is a little bit thin. But already it's looking better than last month's. And then we have this cute little sign, which, oh, okay. It's a nice little sign that you can hang somewhere, and it says "Wizards welcome, Muggles tolerated" on this side, and then on the other side it says "Wizardry at work, no Muggles allowed." But can you see this? That's quite disappointing. Considering this box is like £40, this is literally a plank of wood, and then it's not even like they've literally stuck big stickers on, like I could peel this off. It's just a big sticker on either side, and it's not been stuck on particularly well, which is why I've got a massive like creased air bubble on this side, which I think the only way to get that out fully would be to take the whole sticker off, but then I don't feel like it would stick back down properly. So it's sort of brushed out a little bit, but you see it's all wrinkled because they've literally just stuck a sticker on there, which I'm pretty sure, like, well, you can see the signs. Can you see the signs there? I've got like a Hogwarts sign thing. It's got like, oh, it's like a Hogsmeade, sorry, sign, and it's got 3 broomsticks and this shrieking shack and so on, which was from Primark, which that is a lot better quality than this. But I don't hate this, I do like it, but it would be nice if it was made well instead of like being a plank of wood with a sticker on it that's not even been stuck on properly. So that's a little bit disappointing. Okay. I've got a set of Harry Potter notebooks, which are actually really nice. They're quite thick notebooks. Okay, I was a little bit disappointed with seeing like notebooks because they have done like stationery items before that have been a little bit disappointing, but these ones are actually really nice. They feel like nice quality. So we've got a little one which has got a little H for Hogwarts and then all of the house emblems, and then we've got oh, that one's so cute, oh my god, that is really cute. So we have a little one which has got a tree and it says always, and then you can just see the outline of a little tiny Lily Potter and Snape from the flashback. And then we have possibly my favourite Harry Potter quote: "Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light," which I have on a print on the wall over there. And then lastly we have the lovely flying keys, and it's lined as well, which I like, and it feels like nice quality paper. I do like a nice notebook, you see. That's actually really nice. Okay. And then the big thing is this, which is a book. Ooh, a very nice book, which is Newt Scamander, a movie scrapbook. Very nice. Okay. We've got a little, can I get that off without roughing it? So inside we've got a little like map. We have a lovely little map of America. Which I think is the magical, something to do with the Mac laws and things of America, which is pretty cool. Okay, this is actually really nice. You've got a little luggage tag with, oh, that's like Newt Scamander's, oh, I chucked the map on the floor, his own like logo. And you've got a little pull-out thing. Oh, that are like they look like tarot cards almost, with all of the other characters on it. You see that? And then on the back they've got these lovely illustrations. There's loads of like pull-out things. That's so cute. That is really nice. And I like the fact it's not massive, because I've got quite a lot of big like Harry Potter books, like the full like page to screen book, which is hefty. So it's nice to have a slightly smaller one, but still quite, I mean, the illustrations and stuff are like are embossed on the back and it just looks gorgeous. Well, we have a little Gryffindor fridge magnet. which, again, it looks quite cheap, but the other things in the box are better. But this does look kind of cheap, and it's not printed central, it's sort of going to one side, which is a little bit annoying. But I have recently started collecting fridge magnets because I want to cover my whole entire fridge. So that is quite nice. I just wish it was in the centre. Can you see it's like going to one side? Kind of irritating. And then lastly we have the pin. Now they've finished the Horcrux series, which is kind of what I was holding out for when I was thinking about cancelling the box. I was like, I do want to get all the Horcrux pins, though it's like I can't stop yet. But they have stopped that now, so I don't know. It is a very nice pin. I wouldn't say it's as special as the other ones, and I don't like the fact it's not in the same packaging as the other ones, because it would be nice to keep them all as a collection sort of thing. But that is very sweet. It's a little doe, which is very, very cute. So all that's left is the booklet thing. So let's have a see what they've got to say for themselves. Aha, they did change the name. It is supposed to be Enchanting Essentials. No, I don't get that from it. I like all the items, I do, but I don't think that that really fits the theme. Like, I don't know what's essential about a fridge magnet. I like it, but I wouldn't say it's an enchanting essential. Anywho, a new year calls for new wizarding gear. Whether brushing up on famous witches and wizards or finishing up another year at Hogwarts, this crate brings you useful items from across the wizarding world to prepare you for anything that might come your way. Okay. So one was the Hogwarts Crest t-shirt. Every good witch or wizard needs some casual weekend attire. This Hogwarts Crest tee is the perfect wearable for spending a day in Hogsmeade or just kicking back in your common room. Is it an enchanting essential? I guess because it's got the Hogwarts logo on it, maybe. Learn more about the life and adventures of famed author Newt Scamander in this scrapbook. Okay. Wizarding journals. Okay. Double-sided wizardry sign. This dual-sided sign is perfect for letting the muggles in your life know when you want visitors or need to buckle down and study for your owls. Patronus lapel pin. We're taking a break. No! We're taking a break from our Horcrux pin series to offer you this essential protective charm. The Doe Patronus, shared by Lily Potter and Severus Snape. Okay, that is very sweet. But why do you have to say you're taking a break, which means you're going to do the rest of them? I didn't think they were going to do, like what is left? So, Nagini? And Harry? We had the locket. No. Did we? No. Yes. We had the locket. We had the ring. We had the diadem. We had the diary. What was the other one? God, I can't remember. The cup. Goblet. We had that. So, Helga Hufflepuff's goblet. So yeah, it's just Harry and the snakes. That means I've got to stay on for another couple of months. I like it, I do, but I think considering the items that are in there, like, there's very clearly two items which are what I would consider high quality items. So the t-shirt and the book are really, really nicely made, good items, although the book isn't a Loot Crate exclusive, so it's something you could buy elsewhere. And the notebooks are nice, but then the sign and the magnet must have been incredibly cheap to make, and the pin, although it's very sweet, isn't of the same quality as the rest of the Horcrux ones they've been doing. So I feel like I just don't know if I'm willing to keep spending £40 on this, because to me this should be maybe 25 would be more appropriate, 25 to maybe 30, but £40 is a lot when they're not getting boxes out on time. Items vary quite a lot in quality, so you've got a really beautiful book and then a really kind of rubbish sign. I don't know. If you are subscribed to Loot Crate, particularly the Wizarding World box, I would love to know what you thought of this month's box, or if you've already cancelled your subscription, or what made you cancel. And if you're subscribed to the Geek Gear box, I would love to hear what you think of that one, because I am very strongly considering going over to Geek Gear, I think. But now I feel like I'm gonna have to wait till they've done the other two Horcruxes, because I have to, it has to be a collection, you know? God damn it. Anywho, I'm rambling. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!